Hello everyone, today we are going to make a pipe cleaner flower keychain. So first what you'll do is take one of your pen, okay, take a blue color pipe cleaner and then just rotate this 5 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times, then do like this way and then twist it, and then what you are supposed to do is cut this. Okay, then you all can do like this, so these two flowers are ready now. So what you do is take this green color pipe cleaner, okay, do like this way. Then you all have to take the keychain holder, then put this inside this thing, okay. So then twist it like this, okay, and then what you all can do is one more time you twist and then do like this way. Then you all can twist this one also. See, let's give some curls to this, okay, to look good. Then only it will look good, right? Then pull it. Same way you have to do it for this one. And then pull it like this. Okay. So now take this, along with this, insert this inside. Let's not waste anything, okay. Okay, so here so this you'll put it here. Let's not waste anything, and without using much of the glue gun and all, we have to do it, okay. So little bit glue gun will be required, okay, we have to use. So put this inside, try to insert in between, okay, like here between something will be there. At least you can try to put from here to here. Okay, just put this inside. Yeah, then you all can rotate this. Same way you'll have to insert the other flower. Okay, and the last part you'll have to stick a glue stick over here. So same way your flowers are ready. So it looks so awesome and beautiful. So save, and even also your something is getting wasted, if you feel, just do like this. Okay, here also what you all can do is just hold it like this. This you all can cut it into two half. Don't waste anything, any of your pipe cleaner. Just do like this. This you all can do like this. Okay, instead of wasting pipe cleaner, you all can make a tiny hearts of it. Just try to make a tiny hearts. Yeah, like this. Okay, instead of wasting, you all can make like this. Thanks for watching, guys.